Hello everyone, everything I'm going to explain in this video has been verified by the mechanics here in the shop, so don't worry, we'll go step by step. When your Nissan shows the shift to park message, the first thought is probably, but I already put the shifter in P. The reality is that the car isn't acting up, it's just that the electronic system detecting the park position isn't receiving the correct signal. This can happen even when the shifter is physically in place, and it's something mechanics here talk about all the time. One of the most common reasons is that the shift position sensor or the microswitch inside the console is dirty, loose, or worn. That's why many drivers notice that moving the shifter up and down a couple of times or pushing it a little more firmly makes the message disappear. It's as if the signal just needs a little nudge for the car's computer to say, "Okay, you're in park." This ties directly into another finding in the shop. Modern transmissions rely heavily on electronic sensors to know what gear the car is in, and any loose connection or interference can make the module think it's not in P yet. That's why the warning sometimes persists, even after turning off the engine or opening the door. The system is just waiting for a clear and reliable signal. Many mechanics go a step further and check the connections under the console, where the sensor plugs into the wiring harness. Cleaning the contacts or reconnecting them usually solves the problem in most cases. If the signal continues to fail, some customers have replaced the shift position sensor or even the entire shifter assembly, because over time these components lose precision and can send inconsistent data. Another recurring detail is that this message sometimes appears if you turn off the car too quickly after putting it in park. Waiting a second or making sure the shifter is fully seated before pressing the start-stop button helps the system register the position correctly and prevents false alerts.